In this video, we will see how to redirect the Shopify Add to Cart button directly to the checkout page. Normally, when you click the Add to Cart button, it opens the cart, but we want it to go straight to checkout, just like the Buy It Now button. To do this, go to your Shopify admin, then open Online Store and click on Themes. Click on the three dots next to your theme and select Edit Code. After that, scroll down to the Assets folder and open the file named product-form.js. Inside this file, scroll down until you find the section where the code includes window.location. The line number may vary, but usually it appears after a cart-related line. At this point, you need to replace a small part of the code. You can copy the required checkout redirection code from the provided source and paste it here after removing the existing part. Once done, save the file. Next, go back to Online Store, then Themes, and click on Customize. Open the theme settings and scroll down to find the cart settings. Change the cart type to Page, and then click Save. Now refresh your store. When you click the Add to Cart button, it will redirect you directly to the checkout page instead of opening the cart. This is how you can easily redirect the Add to Cart button to checkout by changing a few lines of code.